Some good news now, and passengers coming into Kenya can now carry goods worth up to 250,000 shillings as part of the government's strategy to streamline passenger goods screening at the airport. Through a multi-agency collaboration, the government is looking to increase tourist numbers by improving customer experience. KTN's Esther Diana has more details.
This decision to raise the threshold from 50,000 shillings is as a result of complaints from customers and the fact that little to no revenue was earned from opening travelers' bags. The allowable threshold is determined at the East African community level.
We took it upon ourselves to engage the EAC to increase that threshold, and that now has been increased to $2,000, or give or take 250,000 shillings.
And therefore there should be no reason why we are opening every other box. And the revenue we are collecting amounts to about 0.05% of the total revenue we collect.
This adjustment is part of the broader goal by the government to ensure different agencies operating at the airport work together, led by the Kenya Airports Authority to position Kenya as an aviation hub, streamline service delivery, boost tourism numbers, and increase revenue collected from the tourism sector.
The immediate solution, as you may note, does not have any budgetary implication. New customers come into Kenya through referencing by travelers who came to Kenya and had a good experience.
The tourist numbers did not decline. They will be upwards of the target that had been set for us.
While unveiling the Cabinet Airport Charter alongside other agencies, Transport Cabinet Secretary Davis Churchill emphasized that the implementation of the customer experience improvement will not cost taxpayers any money in the immediate term. Additionally, Kenya has outgrown the capacity of JKIA, and the government loses a lot of revenue due to poor customer service.
Yes, we have got very crammed up space because we have outgrown the capacity of our airport. We are bringing in excess of what our airport was built to handle.
We are working under a constrained infrastructure facility that is more than 45 years old. Therefore, it's very difficult for us to customize the spaces that are there to give us a better experience.
According to the multi-agency cabinet directive, all citizens from across Africa are exempted from the ETA requirements. Airport customs officers will be equipped with body-worn cameras, and immigration booths will double from 8 to 16. The charter has also committed to uphold traveler dignity and privacy by opening flag bags in dedicated screening rooms. Reporting for KTN, I am Esther Diana, Nairobi.
All right, thank you, Esther, for that. Now, remember our story on the clamor for political parties by our very own Daniel Karaoke? Well, more stories on that.